Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OneSignal for app push notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.onesignal.com and press enter. Once the OneSignal homepage loads, look for the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will now see the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check your credentials for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in, you may check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in the required fields, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your OneSignal dashboard. If you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, which will involve entering your email address. Check your email inbox for the password reset link from OneSignal. Click the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. After successfully resetting your password, repeat the login process. Enter your email and new password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, you can navigate to your app settings as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into OneSignal for app push notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.